Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Dear my students, grade 8, we are going to go on and complete our unit. In today's lesson, inshallah, we are going to practice workbook for unit 10, second term, workbook. Try to open your workbook, page 29. The first exercise that we have here, you are going to write the correct word for each definition. Then work out the hidden word. Here we have three definitions. Try to find the word that equals them. And after that, try to work out the hidden word. The first sentence, to distribute over a great area. What is the meaning of this definition? The second one, for the most part or mostly. Number 3, the effect, result, or outcome of something. Try to think of the answer of this question. Take your time and then come back to check the answers with me. Pause the video and come back when you finish. Now let's check the answers together. The first one, to distribute over a great area. Here we have 3 letters and we have 3 letters missing. So what is the meaning here when we say to distribute over a great area? That's right. It means spread. Spread. So spread means what? To distribute over a great area. Second one, for the most part or mostly means what? What is the word? Excellent. It means mainly. Mainly. Number 3, the effect, result, or outcome of something means what? We have some letters of the word here. Excellent means consequence. Consequence. Now we have said the 3 words. What is the hidden word? Try to look at the numbers and try to find the hidden words. What is letter number 8, number 10, 26, 9, and 13? Excellent. It's going to be what here? Ruins. Ruins. Let's move to exercise B here. We are going to use the 4 words in the puzzle in sentences of your own here. Okay? Like here we have the word spread. We want to put the word spread in a sentence. The word mainly, consequence, and ruins. Try to think and put each word in a sentence of your own. Take your time and try to do this exercise. Now read your sentences. Let's move to exercise number 2 here. We want to complete the following dialogue between Sarah and her sister Layla using much, many, a few, and a little, as we have discussed this rule before. Layla says what here? We need to go shopping. Sarah says, I don't think so. We've got everything we need for the cake. Layla, we have space here. Milk and flour. If you look at the word milk here, that's right, it's uncountable noun. So you are going to use what here? You are going to choose between a few or a little here. And we don't have sugar. Here, the sentence is a negative one. So you are going to choose between much or many. Look at the word sugar. If it is countable, you are going to use many. If it is uncountable, you are going to use much. Sarah, oh, okay, what else do we need? Do we have eggs? Yes, there are space here, but we need more. We refer to the word eggs here. Be careful about this one. Sarah says, what about butter and oil? There is in the fridge. We speak about what here? Butter and oil. Okay, then let's go shopping. Now I think the answer is clear. take half a minute and do this exercise alone and then come to check your answers with me. Now let's check the answers. The first one, we only have what here? Milk. Excellent. A little. Why do we say a little here? Because milk and flour. That's right. Here we have two uncountable words. And this sentence is affirmative, so we are going to use what? A little. And we don't have sugar. Same here, but the word sugar here is uncountable, and the sentence is what? Affirmative or negative? Negative. So you are going to use much. Layla, yes, there are. We speak about what here? Eggs. And the word eggs is plural. That's right. So it's going to be what here? A few. But we need more. What about butter and oil? There is in the fridge, as we have said. The words butter and oil are uncountable nouns. So you are going to use a little here. Let's move to page 30. In this exercise, you are going to choose the correct answer. Number 1, put, you have a space here, sugar in your tea to avoid health problems. Much, a little, many, or a few. Number 2, you only made space mistakes on your test. A few, a lot, much, a little. Number 3, I don't eat space meat because I prefer vegetables. Few, much, a little, many. The last one, he has got space interesting books in his library. A little, much, many, or a lot. Take your time and then come to check your answers with me. Now let's check the answers. The first one, put space sugar. This one is uncountable and the sentence is affirmative. So it's going to be what? A little. Excellent. Number 2, you only made mistakes. The word mistakes here, countable or uncountable? That's right, it's a countable word. And the sentence here is affirmative, so it's going to be a few. Excellent. Number 3, I don't eat meat. We have the word meat here, so we have to choose between much or a little here. You are going to have here two words, much or a little here. Look at the word here. Meat is uncountable and the sentence is negative. So it's going to be what here? Excellent. It's going to be much because the sentence is negative. Number 4. He has got interesting books in his library. Here we have books and the sentence is affirmative. It's going to be excellent. Many interesting books in his library. This is a chart that describes pronouns, subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns. I'd like you to focus on the reflexive pronouns as we have explained them before. A pronoun is a word that may take place of one or more nouns. Reflexive pronouns include myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, themselves, itself. Now complete the following sentences by using reflexive pronouns. Number 1. Nobody helped me to do the exercises, so I did all the exercises by myself. Myself here turns to I. That's right. Number 2. Nobody helped the little girl to comb her hair. Here he starts with the pronoun she. So you have to complete your sentence and at the end of it, you have to write the reflexive pronoun. Number 3, don't show him how to do the homework. So let him and do the same like number 2. Number 4, I didn't take my iPad to a technician. I fixed it. Complete your sentence. It's an easy one, but you have to be careful. Number 5, you can't ask for help, so you must what here? It's an easy exercise. Try to complete the sentence and use the reflexive pronoun. Take your time, take a minute, and then come back to check the answers. Number 1, It's done, as we have said. Nobody helped me to do the exercise, so I did all the exercises by myself. The second one, nobody helped the little girl to comb her hair. What did you write? That's right. So she combed it by herself. Herself here is a reflexive pronoun for the pronoun she. Excellent. Number three, don't show him how to do the homework. So let him what here? Excellent. Let him do the homework by himself. Himself here, it's a reflexive pronoun for the pronoun he. But here we have him. So let him do the homework by himself. Number four, I didn't take my iPad to a technician. So I fixed it what here? Look at the first pronoun I. Excellent. So I fixed it by myself. Number five, you can't ask for help, so you must what here? Excellent. You must help yourself. Yourself here, it's a reflexive pronoun for you. Let's move here. In pairs, you have to discuss the things you can do by yourself. Then write about what you and your partner can both do. You are going to write some things, okay, you can do by yourself. You are going to write them, and after you finish, discuss the things that you can do by yourself with your classmate and write them down. Take your time, and you can answer this one in your workbook. Then you can write some sentences in the comments below to check the answers with you. Try to read your answers and you can write them down in the comments below. Here we have some examples. I can make my bed myself. My partner can cook pasta himself or herself if we speak about male or female. We can do great things ourselves. Ourselves here, it's a reflexive pronoun for the pronoun we. We can make salad and cake ourselves. We can do our homework ourselves. We can design tables ourselves. Thank you and see you inshallah in other units.